Trigger warning, this video contains disturbing details. Social media expressed strong reactions following the suicide of Atul Subhash, who took his own life amid a legal battle over divorce and child custody.
They told me to commit suicide, and I think they are right.
Many users called for his wife's dismissal from a job and demanded strict action, while others refrained from jumping to conclusions or taking sides, urging that the truth be uncovered and justice prevail. Pictures of a woman were also circulating, with some users saying that she was his wife, while others argued they were fake.
मुझे खुद को ही खत्म कर लेना बेस्ट है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि जो मैं पैसे कमा रहा हूँ उसी से मैं अपने दुश्मन को बलवान बना रहा हूँ.
Here's what we know about the case. Atul Subhash was a senior executive at a private firm in Bengaluru, living alone after separating from his wife, who worked at a multinational company in Delhi.
हमारी शादी 2019 में हुई.
On 8 December 2024, Atul Subhash uploaded a video lasting over an hour alleging mistreatment by his wife and the judge presiding over the case, and stating that 9 cases had been filed against him. He labeled the charges against him as blatant lies. The following day, on 9 December 2024, he was found dead in his Bengaluru residence with an A4 sheet attached to his chest that read, "Justice is due." He also left behind a 24-page death note accusing his wife and her family members of filing false cases, harassment, extortion, and direct instigation of suicide. Atul Subhash alleged that after marriage, his wife's family repeatedly demanded large sums of money amounting to several lakhs. When he refused to give in to her demands, his wife left the Bengaluru home with their son in 2021. The following year, he said his wife had filed several cases against him, including those of dowry, harassment, murder, and unnatural sex.
हमारा बेटा है तो जरूर सेक्स हुआ है, बट क्या अननेचुरल है इसमें मुझे नहीं पता. मेरी पत्नी के पास कोई भी मेडिकल प्रूफ, कोई भी मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन, कुछ भी नहीं है.
He said that she filed a murder case against him, alleging that he demanded a dowry of 10 lakh rupees, which put pressure on her father and led to his death from a heart attack.
कि मेरी पत्नी ने उसके क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में ये कबूल किया कि उनके पिता की मृत्यु लंबे समय की बीमारी के बाद हुआ.
Although he said the case was withdrawn later, Atul Subhash said he was already giving 40,000 rupees every month to his wife for maintenance. But he alleged that she demanded 2 lakh rupees per month for herself and their 2-year-old child, despite being a well-educated working woman making good money.
1 लाख रुपए मेरे 2 साल से कम उम्र के बच्चे के भरण पोषण के लिए और 1 लाख रुपए अपने भरण पोषण के लिए.
He also said that his wife and her family initially demanded 1 crore rupees to settle the case, then increased it to 3 crore rupees. In the video recorded by Atul Subhash, he accused the family court judge of instigating his suicide and being involved in corruption. He shared an incident where he told the judge that men are dying by suicide due to false cases. His wife responded, "Then why don't you?" The judge then laughed and asked her to leave. Atul also alleged corruption, saying that the judge told him to think about his family and demanded 5 lakh rupees to settle the case.
मेरे ही टैक्सेस के पैसे से ये कोर्ट, ये पुलिस सिस्टम मुझे और मेरी फैमिली को और बाकी लोगों को भी हैरास करेगा जो अच्छे लोग. तो जो सप्लाई है वैल्यू का, उसी को खत्म कर देना चाहिए.
In his suicide note, he said that he had not seen or talked to his child in the last 3 years, despite filing multiple applications in court and pleading with his wife. In India, women are generally given priority for child custody. However, men may be awarded custody if the child is 13 or older and expresses a preference to live with them. Fathers can also gain custody if they prove the mother is psychologically unfit, financially incapable of raising the child, or if her past behavior poses a risk to the child's well-being or development. If the mother has a poor reputation or is convicted of a crime, custody may be granted to the father. In Atul Subhash's case, after his death, a case was registered under section 10835 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, with charges of abetment filed against his wife and her family members based on a complaint from his brother.
Everything will be part of investigation, even there is death note and video statement.
The allegations made by Atul Subhash have not been proven in court. Both the judge and his wife had not responded to the allegations made by Atul Subhash, and the investigation was still underway at the time of publishing this report. Discussions on suicides can be triggering, but suicides are preventable. If you are looking for help, here are some suicides prevention helpline numbers in India.